Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carl Joshua P. Ochoco, CCSE faculty. Welcome. On this video, I'll be discussing three topics, namely, method that returns values, method reusing, and method overloading. First, let's discuss what is a method that returns value. A method always requires a return type. This return type can be any type used in Java. We have three return types that we can use. First, primitive types. These are data types that are normally used in Java. Integer, long, short, byte, double, float, character, and strings. Another one is your class type. This is used for advanced method declaration that returns a class. And lastly, void return type. The void returns nothing by default. When we declare a method that is not void, the method requires a return statement. A return statement causes a value to be sent from the called method back to the calling method. For you to understand more about the method that returns a value, let's have a short demo for this topic. Okay, so here are we on our demo, on the topic method that returns a value. Okay, first what we are going to do now is to declare a method. So when we declare a method, we need an access modifier, public, then your static, okay, then the return type, either primitive types, class type, or void. So for this demo, I'll be using a data type double. Then a method name compute average. Okay. As you can see, we have error here. It says missing return statement. As I said on the lecture, if you have a return statement or return type, you need a return statement. So return, then specific value of a double, for example, 10.10. Okay, this is only for the example to remove the error in here. Okay, so let's continue. For example, we are going to compute the average of three double values. So I'll be declaring three double variables. Double A equals 5, B equals to 10, and C equals to 15. Then, we are going now to get the average of the three variables. So, double average equals, then we will now change the value of the return statement into the variable average. Take note. The data type of the average is double because the return type is double. You cannot return an integer if your return type is double. So, it's supposed to be, this will be a double variable. So, let's proceed. For example, I'll be calling now the compute average. Okay? So, when we return the value, it should has a receiver. So, the receiver should be compatible with the return type. So, if the return type is double, the receiver should be double also. So, I'll be declaring a double variable here, then average. Then, let's try to print if there is an output. System.out.println. So, if I run the program, the output would be, the average is 10.0. Then, the value of the double average on my method compute average will be returned to the method caller, which is on our main method. We call the method compute average, save the returned value on our double average. Then, we output the average. Another example, I'll be declaring a public static string, okay, display name. Okay, so it needs a return statement again, so return null. Okay? Then, I'll be displaying a name string, str name. Then, I'll be returning this str name to the method caller. So, I'll be changing the null into str name. So, let's try to call the display name. So, if I run the program, there will be no output for the display name. Why? Because it didn't receive a value string or data type string. So, I need first to declare a string, then name equals display name. Then, display now our name, which is your Cardo Dalisay. So, if I run the program, the name will be output as Cardo Dalisay. That's for our video. Let's go to the method reusing.